Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Well, you're not alone. Many of us fantasize about this, and it's completely possible through something called passive income. Imagine waking up to an email notification of a payment received. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Passive income is about creating multiple revenue streams that can offer you financial stability and security. This might sound like a far-off dream, but remember, while it may take time and effort to set up, once established, passive income can provide the financial stability you crave. So where to start? The first step is choosing your passive income stream. There's a smorgasbord of options out there. Rental properties can provide a steady income stream, while dividend stocks offer potential for growth. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting other people's products. And digital products like ebooks or online courses can be sold indefinitely once created. Remember, it's crucial to choose a passive income stream that aligns with your interests and skills. Once you've chosen your passive income stream, it's time to create a plan. This is crucial as it helps you understand the amount of time and money you're going to invest up front. For instance, if you decide to invest in rental properties, you'll need to consider the cost of the property, any renovation expenses, and the time it'll take to find tenants. Setting achievable goals is the next step. You may start with a single property and aim to have it rented out within a few months. This is a realistic goal that also allows room for unexpected hurdles. Investing in your chosen passive income stream is not a one-time deal. You need to continuously maintain and upgrade your investment. In our rental property example, this could mean regular property maintenance or improvements to keep it attractive to tenants. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable income source over time. Investing wisely in your chosen passive income stream sets the foundation for your success. With your investment in place, the next steps are to automate your income and expand your streams. Automation is your ticket to earning money even when you're not actively involved. It's like having a money-making machine that works around the clock. And don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams. This not only reduces risk but also boosts your overall income. Remember, more streams mean more income. Automating and expanding your income streams are key strategies in your journey to becoming a passive income hero. Now that you have the roadmap, the journey begins. Like any venture worth undertaking, building a passive income stream requires focus and commitment. It's not just about setting up and letting it run. It's about staying the course, nurturing your investment, and weathering the storms. It's about remaining steadfast, even when things get tough. It's about not losing sight of your vision. Stay focused, stay committed, and stay the course, and you'll soon be on your way to becoming a passive income hero. Start your passive income journey today. For more tips and freebies, go to billycolbertusa.com.